If you're a coffee enthusiast seeking a coffee maker that embodies both quality flavor and generous capacity, look no further than the Ninja Programmable XL 14 Cup Coffee Maker Pro. This sleek and sophisticated coffee maker is designed to deliver an unparalleled coffee experience, offering hotter brewing technology for richer flavors without the bitterness. With its impressive 14-cup carafe capacity, this coffee maker is perfect for entertaining guests, or simply for those who savor multiple cups throughout the day. Prepare to be delighted by the convenience and elegance of the Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro. Here are the key features of Ninja Programmable XL 14-Cup Coffee Maker. Brew styles that suit your tastes, classic or rich, with 2 customizable brew styles, classic and rich. This coffee maker ensures that every cup is a delight to the senses. The custom brew strengths guarantee a flavorful and never bitter coffee experience, empowering you to savor your coffee just the way you like it. Say goodbye to settling for mediocre brews. The Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro elevates your coffee game to new heights. Ample capacity for entertaining. 14-cup carafe. The Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro offers an impressive 14-cup carafe capacity, making it the ideal companion for hosting gatherings and entertaining guests. Brew large batches of coffee with ease, ensuring that everyone's cups are filled to the brim with delicious coffee. Share moments over steaming cups of coffee with your loved ones, thanks to the generous capacity of this coffee maker. Hotter brewing technology. Unleash ultra-flavorful coffee. Experience the true essence of your coffee with the hotter brewing technology featured in the Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro. This advanced technology delivers even saturation and precise temperature control, allowing the coffee grounds to release their full flavor potential. Savor every sip of ultra-flavorful and perfectly brewed coffee, courtesy of this innovative brewing technology. Small batch function. No dilution, just pure excellence. For those times when you desire a small batch of coffee, the Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro has you covered. The small batch function ensures that your coffee is never diluted, even when brewing just 1 to 4 cups. Enjoy the same full-bodied flavor and rich aroma, whether you're brewing a large carafe or a small batch for yourself. Wake up to hot coffee. 24-hour programmable delay brew. Start your day on the right note with a steaming cup of coffee waiting for you. The 24-hour programmable delay brew feature allows you to prepare your coffee up to a day in advance. Wake up to the enticing aroma of freshly brewed coffee, ready to energize your mornings and kickstart your day. Variable warming plate. Coffee that stays hot. The Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro ensures that your coffee remains hot and delightful for up to 4 hours with its variable warming plate. Choose from 3 temperature settings to keep your coffee at the perfect heat level, allowing you to enjoy every cup at your own pace without worrying about it cooling down. Convenience and practicality. Removable water reservoir. The Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro takes convenience seriously. With its removable 70 Oz water reservoir, filling up water is a breeze. Simply carry the reservoir to your sink and enjoy the ease of refilling without any spills or fuss. Freshness timer and mid-brew pause. Coffee at its best. Stay informed about the freshness of your last pot with the freshness timer, ensuring that you enjoy your coffee at its peak flavor. Additionally, the mid-brew pause feature lets you pour yourself a cup of coffee before the brewing cycle is complete, catering to those moments when you simply can't wait to indulge. A complete package. Everything you need. The Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro comes equipped with everything you need to embark on your coffee journey. The package includes a 14-cup glass carafe, a permanent filter, and the Ninja Scoop, making it a comprehensive and delightful coffee-making experience. Upgrade your coffee experience with Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro. In conclusion, the Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro is the epitome of excellence in coffee-making technology. Its customizable brew styles, ample capacity, and innovative features make it a top-notch choice for all coffee enthusiasts. Say goodbye to bland and bitter brews. Embrace the richness and full-bodied flavors that this coffee maker has to offer. Elevate your coffee experience with the Ninja Programmable XL Coffee Maker Pro, and relish every moment spent with your favorite beverage.